Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Alibaba account using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on settings at the top right corner. Now scroll down until you see account or delete account. On some versions, it may also be under help and support. Tap E to start the deletion process. Alibaba will ask you to verify your identity by sending a code to your email or phone number. Enter the code to confirm that it's really you requesting the account deletion. Once verified, tap delete account or confirm. Alibaba will warn you that deleting your account is permanent. You are sure, accept it, your account will be scheduled for deletion. And that's it, your Alibaba account is now deleted. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.